So let's say I have an idea for an app, but I'm not entirely sure who my user base should be. I'm not quite ready for stage one. Do you have anything that can kind of help get me ready for stage one?
Yeah, yeah. A lot of times people come to us and we start at stage one with our clients because they already have a kind of an idea. They've done some research on their own, or they have they work in a business or an industry that they already know very well, and can come and say, yeah, this is what I want, pretty much. And of course, we're going to help them figure out how the best way to implement that is. But they have a pretty good idea. Sometimes people will come and say, boy, this is a concept. I'm not sure how it fits. I don't, how could you do something like this? And if you did, what would it look like or whatever. So we can back up from stage one, and we provide a service called stage zero, which is just really sort of backing up and saying, technically what we do is we develop what's called a functionality requirements document. So what does this thing need to do?
Yeah.
What are the goals of this? And so oftentimes if it's a more complex project, or it's more of a unique project where you need to sort of sort that out, then we work with our strategy people and our user experience people, and just sort of sit in a room, and we lead basically a team, a company or a team or an individual through the process of drawing that out. So asking the right questions so that we're able to fill in the right answers. Out of that process comes a functionality requirements document that can then be put together for a bid, or can be formed as a project to take the next step. And if everything looks good out of a stage zero, then you'd go right into stage one, where you're really refining and like I've talked about.
That's great.